Welcome back to my channel, and if this is your first time, welcome to Telsa Vision. My name is Telsa, and this is where you get to see the vision through my lenses. So let's get to it. Today we are still at the Venetian Palazzo Hotel Resort in Vegas. Oh my goodness, this place is spectacular. It is so beautiful, luxurious, and vintage all in one. Now, here we are, we're at the Canal Shops. Well, they have all the best premium premier shops that you can think of. I mean, every high-end store is located inside these Canal Shops. She was so nice giving out samples. Hi, thank you. I appreciated the samples as I just got up early morning and just decided to take a tour of the inside of this fine establishment. I was blown away. Come walk with me as we just go through the Canal Shops. I'll take you on a journey of all of the restaurants, all the stores, the marble floors, the decor. Everything's big, everything's bling in the Venetian Palazzo Resort. Very nice hotel. You can shop, dine, experience the Grand Canal Shops at the Palazzo Venetian Resort, an extraordinary Venetian-inspired shopping and dining destination on the famous Las Vegas Strip. Now, the Shops is home to more than a dozen world-class and award-winning dining venues, in addition to over 160, that's right, 160 signature stores and luxury brands. Look at the art. I love this dragon. I believe I was there in March and it was Chinese New Year. And you know, the dragons are known, they're a symbol of good luck and prosperity for the rest of the year. And it would be conveniently by Louis Vuitton. Another high-end premier store in the Canal Shops. Everything was so pretty with the rose bed. Michael Kors. And there is the famous love sign. Beautiful piece of art, which I will talk about later on in this video. Just beautiful. The decor, how everything is set. Ferragamo. It's nice. You will definitely, it is so easy to spend a couple thousand here, just so you know. But it's so nice to just window shop. I'll be back one day. But for now, just walk with me. It's a really nice experience. I said everything is big, everything is blingy. This place is exquisite. Who'da knew? Jimmy Choo. But do not wear any Jimmy Choos if you're walking through the Canal Shops. When you get here in Vegas, if you want to explore the hotel, make sure you have on some comfortable shoes or some Jimmy Choo sandals. No heels. I guarantee you will come up out of them. It's a nice bench full of flowers. Just flowers everywhere. placed throughout the hotel. Very nice. I'm just looking over the balcony. It's actually at the front of the Palazzo Hotel where the check-in is at. Now this place is called the AG Gallery. It's an arts gallery, yes, and it is inside the Venetian Palazzo Hotel. Like I said, it is so much to see before you even make it outside on the strip. Exquisite. What I really liked about their gallery, and I believe AG stands for, let me make sure I have this right. AG is for Amazing Gallery, and what an amazing gallery it is. It's your Spider-Mans, your Batmans, your creative artists, from high-end artists to your street artists. Just really why I like this art gallery. It made it very authentic, and this is something free you can do when you're on vacation in Las Vegas, staying at the Venetian Palazzo Hotel. They actually have 2 of these inside of the hotel. Hi, Snoopy. And the gallery is huge. And this art is not cheap. I actually saw a piece in there, I believe, for like $13,000. It's nice to look for now. Yeah, a piece of art right there has a story, definitely. Definitely not my taste, but to each its own. Every piece of art has a story. Just don't want that story in my presence. Moving right along. Interesting. All your famous cartoon characters. All right, now we are out of the art gallery and we are back inside the Canal Shops, right in center, because I need some sort of snack. I'm thirsty. I'm looking for a smoothie. Heard of this place called Cocolina. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. And they are supposed to have some really, really, really good smoothies and gelato. So I am out here looking for the gelato at Cocolina. Excuse me, sir. I think I have spotted Cocolina. They really had a great selection of ice cream, gelato. The presentation is very nice. Magnifico. Let the video speak for itself. That does not have your mouth watering. I'm in heaven. I think I'm going to great selection. Devoured that. Now I'm really feeling myself in this Sin City. Really enjoying myself. Everything here is about peacefulness. The vibe is peaceful, it's grand, it's beautiful, the people were really nice. In every corner you turn, it's like a piece of art. Different designs. It's really nice. And just when my back had attempted to start hurting, here we go, people. They have massage techs on site. So if you cannot afford to go to the spa that the hotel has, which is normally any hotel that has a spa, it's going to be a little bit on the expensive side. But this right here, that was inexpensive. It was very nice. You can buy 20 minutes, 40 minutes, an hour. The ladies was lovely. Healing Hands experience. And this is located through the walkways in the Canal Shop. There's that piece I was telling you about earlier, the love piece. Now, this was a showstopper. Everybody gathered around the love piece and they took plenty of pictures. It's actually done by an artist named Laura Kempton. So shout out to you, Laura. I just love this piece. And Laura states that the bird stamps and the letters represent being able to follow your dreams, which is the message that will inspire people to interact with this piece. And people interact with this piece. There's another dragon. Like I said, I believe it was Chinese New Year in March when I was there. Good luck and prosperity. Look at the Waterfall Atrium behind. That is nice. That is nice. And this is right outside of the Venetian portion of the hotel. Right when you're leaving out of the Palazzo. Both hotels are connected. It's called the Palazzo at the Venetian Resort. Again, the marble floors just took my breath away. Look at the shine to that floor. Just the ambience. How could you not be happy to be here? There's so many other things to do besides gamble. I mean, that's why most go to Vegas. But if you go there for the glamour and the glitz and you do not gamble, it's so many other nice things to do. They have a ton of restaurants, a ton of shops, a ton of just free things, art galleries, entertainment. They have shows. They have the gondola rides, which normally starts around the canal shops. And those are really, really nice. And those are best for couples. I saw a lot of couples on those. It's a nice restaurant by the name of Sugar Cane. I believe they were like a raw and vegan restaurant. The decor just right outside. The ceilings, the floors, the wall embedded with flowers, roses. Want the world. Just makes you want the world. Nice, relaxing environment. The Yardbird. Now, this is the place I just had to stop and get Southern cuisine. I love chicken. It's no secret. So when you're at the Venetian Palazzo, if you love chicken, you have got to go to the Yardbird. Let's go inside. It's time to eat. take a look at that plate. I believe I have some street corn. I have some chicken wings dipped in Louisiana hot sauce. What more can you ask for, right? And they have a homemade buttermilk ranch sauce for dipping. Oh my God, I was in heaven. Maxed it. It was so delicious. Ate it all. And doing all that walking, I was quite hungry. Now we go up top. We're up top going through the Poolside Cafe, Capri, which leads out to the swimming pools, jacuzzis, nice palm trees. It's just a great atmosphere. Really, really nice. The pools are heated. So if you're there in around March or April where it gets a little cool, no worries. I was actually looking out of the window of my suite and looking down, saying to myself, how are those people out there inside that swimming pool? Aren't they cold? It's my first time in Vegas. I didn't know. First time at the Venetian Palazoo, and the pool is heated. The jacuzzis are heated. It's very, very nice. You don't even know that it's a small, cool breeze, even when you get out. I don't know how they do that, but it is very, very nice also for family and kids to enjoy the pools. They're like 4 jacuzzis and 3 swimming pools, and that's only on the Palazzo side. This is the Palazzo side. Let's see. And the jacuzzi just chilling. Let you see for yourself how beautiful it was up top. Nothing but positive vibes. Everyone was so friendly. And this hotel, I would also like to add, is very diverse. Everyone was very friendly. Everyone was so nice. Very professional setting. Can't stress that enough about the Venetian Palazzo Hotel. 10 out of 10. Hands up, 10 out of 10. Just beautiful. It also had cabanas, which were really nice for those that want their own privacy and pleasure. You can reserve a cabana. Television inside, little small couches. It's really nice. It's a very nice vibe. Ceiling fan. I was impressed. So much to show, so I had to make this video. It's so long because it's so much, and this isn't even half of the hotel, and this is before you even make it out to the strip. I also have a video. You don't forget to like and subscribe to Television, and check out the other video that I have of my actual double queen suite with the view. Fabulous. Loved waking up every morning to that beautiful view. It just did something to me. The sun in my face. Powered up and ready to go. As you can tell, this is just the palazzo side, so it's more than enough people can come out here at one time and enjoy themselves. I would describe this hotel as when old splendor meets the new world creativity and innovation. Very exquisite, very nice. From the canal shops to up top at the pool. I have more to come. A lot of footage of different places where you guys can go and visit. And if you're like me that loves to pay attention to detail and you just want to know what a lot of these things actually look like from a real person that is there, that's not a travel agent, just a normal person like yourself, subscribe to Television. And here we go. Back through the Poolside Cafe to the inside of the hotel. The name of the hotel is Capri. Again, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel Television. Bye, till next time. Mwah.